Hi guys, I'm Zena. I am the editorial director for Hum, and I'm here to do our September unboxing, and we'll do a little giveaway at the end, so stick around. It'll be quick. This is our box. As you can see, it's covered in a bunch of motivational phrases. There's go get it, make it happen. So if you can guess what our theme is, it is, drumroll please, goal getter. So for the month of September, we're talking about goals, some productivity, getting in the mood, whether you're going back to school or just want to amp up your life in whatever goal you have. We have a quote there, we are what we repeatedly do. Reminder to infuse some healthy habits into your routine, maybe like taking your vitamins every day. See what I did there? See what I did? Okay, so this month we always have a free gift, and we have this very cute little magnetized board that you can stick up on your fridge, and you get a little marker too to write out what your daily goal is. And you can just keep this up there as a daily reminder, update it, just something fun for you to keep your goals top of mind. Then we have this little pamphlet, which, on the inside, we always include some of your guys' photos. You can tag us on Instagram if you ever want to be included in here. And in the middle, we have a little tool to help you set your goal for the month. So this is kind of a wheel to check in with all the different areas of your life. We have finances, fun, nutrition, movement, mental health, relationships, environment, career. And basically what you do is you just fill out kind of on a scale of 1 to 5 how you're doing in each area. And then you can see what areas need a little love. And I'm actually going to show you what mine looks like because I did this. So for example, this is mine. I'm doing really great in fun and nutrition. I just went to Joshua Tree past weekend. That was very fun. Nutrition. I'm not eating sugar for 30 days. We'll have a video about that on our channel, so make sure you're subscribed. Areas I'm doing less good in are finances. I definitely overspent on my budget this month because I did not look at my budget this month, so can use a little work there. For me, mental health is also one that's a little low. I feel like I need to bolster that up. So in filling this out, I kind of know what my weaknesses are, and now I can set a goal. So we made room for you here at the bottom to make a goal this month. My goal is to track my budget daily and then to do yoga once a week because that really helps me stay mentally in check. So that is our tool for you this week. That is our gift for you. And as a gift to one of our viewers, we're gonna send you your very own personalized box with 3 Hum vitamins of your choosing. To enter our giveaway, all you have to do is comment below, tell us one goal that you have for the next month. We will include all the rules, details in the description of this video below. And that's it, guys. Enter to win, good luck. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for our next monthly unboxing in October. Bye. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And that's it, guys.